My daughter took AC hanger and heated me. That was why I was provoked. A child of 24, 25 go for surgery to beautify her face and her bum bum. Each time I complain about this, problem will come. She and her mother put us together to even frustrate me. And I took her mother to court, and the court granted me the divorce. And I divorced her. It is not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4 that your mother ran away from my house. And each time she goes away from my home, she spent not less than 8 months. The way she spends money, she took a lantern, an electric lantern, and broke it on my head. It is my own property, my own hotel. My daughter will snap and put it on the net that it is she will even insult me. When I was saying, am I the one you are insulting? My daughter responded to me, am I a father? If I'm not a father, who am I then? I couldn't bear it any longer. It is disappointing me too much. The place I came from, you can't wait until the child spoiled to a certain level before you can correct he or her. Ilebaye again went back to the police to complain again, and the police came to ask me that I should report. But there's no problem. I'm going to report.
Please come and help me. Please come and help me.
How can a man beat his daughter like that? God damn.
See the way your papa they beat you. Your father is a political nuisance.
Ilebaye's face has been ruined.
If your father can panic beat you and use all anger beat you like this, imagine what your papa go use anger to make decision for our life as a political nuisance that your father is.
Even if he's a pops, does that give him the right to lay hands on her? Even if he's a father, I don't care if you're the father. You can be anybody. You don't have the right.
Papi Ilebaye, what did this girl do to deserve that kind of beating? What is it that is beyond forgiving, that is beyond seeking other means that resulted to that kind of beating?
We have started getting details about what happened between Ilebaye and her dad. I told you people that the mother finally left him in 2024. The man have always been like that. When the mom was still married to him, sometimes he will beat up the mom and lock her up in a room.
Not the Chris, not the man. When I come and talk, say my dad open eye, let them traffic me go Italy. All of them, they say, they want to put the papa for trouble. You keep covering for these useless people. You end up with useless men that pan beat you. Why? Because you're coming from a home where your father pan beat you, and that's what you're used to. Look at the way your eye they read, you political nuisance of a father.
The son was the one telling the father, please don't buy her, don't kill her. It means he don't take when they see such scene they play out for their house.
I am Odiniya Emmanuel Godson, the father to Ilebaye Odiniya. I want to really thank my fellow Nigerians and Nigerians all over the world for what was on the net about my daughter, and contribution to every one of you, both good and bad. I really want to appreciate you. But I want to put record straight that what led to that was not that I don't love my daughter. She was my best, one of my best child. And if you take record of her days gone by, you can note that yes, she attended the best school. And that shows to me that yes, I really love my daughter. But to a certain time, she wanted to join Big Brother. When she told me, I accepted it, and I began to work towards it. To a certain time, she failed the first one. She was evicted. Then the second one in 2023 or thereabout, she won. I contributed a lot using my relationship with Nigerians all over and outside to vote my daughter massively. My personal contribution there is well over 75%. I could still remember. But when she has successfully came out of that place and won successfully, what I was expecting from her wasn't coming. For instance, the place I came from, if you have a child, you can't wait until the child spoiled to a certain level before you can correct he or her. Ilebaye couldn't listen to me again. Each time I talk to Ilebaye, he wouldn't like to listen to me. I will book Ilebaye 5 to 6 times in a week. She would never give me audience. And I saw a lot of things going very wrong in her. Especially when you come to the issue of appreciating what they did for you when you were in Big Brother. I use my influence seriously to make people of Kogi State and all over to vote massively for my daughter. Even governors of some states and my colleagues donated money which was used in buying the IUC. If you can think back, it was only 1 week that my daughter was not on eviction. Each other week that she was on eviction, it is by the help of Nigerians that she succeeded. She doesn't want to listen to me again. Each time there is quarrel between she and the mother, to the extent that the mother will disown her. I will play the record, the cassette for you to listen to. The mother will disown her. I will intermediate into it and then make sure I settle the matter. Even if I settle it today, tomorrow another thing will come up. Ilebaye, come, let us appreciate those that have assisted you in winning this Big Brother of the team. She would never listen to me. Her fans began to go backward. They are no longer supporting us the way we expected. I told my daughter, the nature of friends you are making doesn't go well with our culture. My daughter will not listen to me. My daughter will go and beautify her face, a child of 24, 25. Go for surgery to beautify her face and her bum bum. Each time I complain about this, problem will come. She will even insult me, but I still swallow the insult and continue to give her advice. To a certain level, this advice I was giving to my daughter, she looked at me as number one enemy. The way she spends money, I told her several times, let us have a place we can develop so that it can be a place we can help the poor, the less privileged ones. My daughter will never listen to me. It is my own property, my own hotel. My daughter will snap and put it on the net that it is a building, which is not. I will show you the building here, which is not. It is my building. By the grace of God, I was doing fine from the age of 40, and I never disappoint God in helping the less privileged ones. Ilebaye is not the only child, female child I have. There are other 2 with her. They attended in the same school, and they got good grades from the school. They listened to me, but Ilebaye wouldn't listen to me. To a certain time, I couldn't bear it any longer. I forced her to sit with me, let me caution her and let me explain this to her, because it is disappointing me too much. And I suffer from BP. My blood pressure goes up. I became a victim of circumstances. That made me to tell my daughter, let us have audience with each other. Let us have audience. My daughter insulted me. When I was saying, am I the one you are insulting as if I'm not a father? She said, who am I? Am I a father? My daughter responded to me, am I a father? If I'm not a father, who am I then? I told her that. My daughter took AC hanger and heated me. The kind of blood that poured on the floor. I will equally show you on the internet for you to see what the wound my daughter gave me. If I'm going after her, instead of my daughter to run forward, my daughter will push me as if she's coming to beat me. That was why I was provoked and cautioned her not to push me to the wall. She took a lantern, an electric lantern, and broke it on my head. You can see the blood there too. You can see where my head broke up. Since my daughter began to do this face build up, or what they call it, or this, anything that touches her little, it became an elaborate thing. It became so big, as if she was taking a cutlass or a mortar to hit. These are the things that made me to be provoked and say, this time I won't let it go like that. I'm praying and I'm pleading with you Nigerians and others outside the country that they should please put me in prayer. Let Ilebaye change for good. Let Ilebaye change for good. If I tell anyone that since my daughter left Big Brother, she has never shown me or explained to me how much she got from Big Brother house, even if I'm suffering, even if I needed help, my daughter will never assist me. Even the most recent one that I was not happy was when I was supposed to go for medical attention, when I was invited for medical checkup in Dubai. I told my daughter, I'm lacking resources, please borrow me certain amount of money. If I come back, I will give you. The money I'm expecting hasn't come. My daughter told me she doesn't have money. A week to that week, come and see how my daughter was spreading money, bundles of money in a wedding reception or a wedding ceremony of one of her colleagues, whom they call a cross. That is not the problem. I will be happy if my daughter has to support her colleague. But then, what about your father? If you help your father, is anything wrong? More so that I said I'm borrowing. Secondly, the level, the way and manner my daughter was going with my son. I have two sons. One is 14 and one is 10. The one of 14, my daughter has adulterated him with drug. I cried, I wept when the principal expelled my son from that school. And I told Ilebaye, don't ever give anything they call drug to this boy again. She couldn't listen to me. She couldn't listen to me. She and her mother put us together and does what they will do to even frustrate me. When the mother has an issue with her the other time, and the mother said she's no longer her daughter and disown her. At that time, my daughter went far to tell me that if her mother is not responding or doing the needful to me and take me as a husband, she advised me to divorce her. And I took her mother to court, and the court granted me the divorce, and I divorced her. And my daughter, whom I divorced the mother, began to hate me. Why did I take the mother to court without telling her? I said, how would I tell you again when you have advised me to do the needful? Because it is not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4 that your mother ran away from my house. And each time she goes away from my home, she spent not less than 8 months before my reverend fathers, my bishop, would plead, and I will bring her back home. And she will never take good care of these 2 boys. And these 2 boys, she started running away from home when they were 4 years and 6 years old. And each time she goes away, it affects the children. And as it affects them, so it affects me, and the family wise, I began to have some challenge. So all these things are things Ilebaye was doing that made me to have an issue with her. I plead with you, my fellow Nigerians, whatever happened between me and my daughter, I plead that you forgive us, because the police have settled us and had asked us to go home in peace, and we left there. But later, Ilebaye again went back to the police to complain again, and the police came to ask me that I should report. But there's no problem, I'm going to report. In as much as it's peace I want, and it's peace that Nigerians want. But pray for me, let Ilebaye knows where she started from. And pray for me, let the family grow as it should be. All your contributions, negative or positive, is well accepted. Thank you, my fellow Nigerians.
This BBL girl, I've been a BB, they mind wow for BBL big brother. It mind me nothing. See the way your papa they beat you. Your father is a political nuisance. Your God, I don't know if your father can beat you and use all anger beat you like this. Imagine what your papa go use anger to make decision for our life as a political nuisance that your father is. You wonder why we have confidence. I don't envy you people. You people are a piece of shit. This is the type of home you are coming from. Your father beat you to next life low self-esteem. My dad never hit me one day. You wonder why I went to Italy and I don't have low self-esteem. And I don't envy any of you. Not the crazy, not the mad. When I come and talk, say my dad open eye, let them traffic me go Italy. All of them, they say, they want to put the papa for trouble. You keep covering for these useless people. Remember, now the young nuisance where you they see today, now they grow old. Now they ain't grow old. You bloody bastard. Look at the way papa they beat her. It be like who they follow cartoon and been as something drag. You won't carry iron. A daughter. See picture where you and the papa take. I love my dad. Your father is a political nuisance. This is why you people have low self-esteem. You are beautiful. You have. It seems like because y'all don't have it. In photo, it seems like you're doing all right, but you struggle and suffer with low self-esteem. You end up with useless men that pan beat you. Why? Because you're coming from a home where your father pan beat you, and that's what you're used to. God punish you. My dad never hit me one day. I've never dated a man that hits me in my life. Yes, a father is a girl child's first love. Whatever your father do to you is what you will take from every other man. You think it's normal. My husband cannot shout for me. I am always right. It is where I'm coming from. My father will say, that's it. What you do me picking go do you. If you right, it's fine. You go burn your own picking go do you. That's all he say. My dad will not raise his hand. For what reason? Go punch your fucking car. You're not gonna put that bloody smelly hands on me, you bloody bastard. Look at the way your eye they read, you political nuisance of a father. See the way, I'm just saying, what are you gonna do to us? What decision you gonna make in our lives? And you are one of the political nuisance. Look at the way you're beating your bloody child. You depend, see your picking face. Honestly, I don't know what to say to you. Political nuisance, I don't know what to say to you. The pepper body where you put for your daughter body. I don't care what she did. She stole your money. She lied. She can't fuck man for your house. I don't care. I don't bloody care. It does not warrant that level of anger on your child. I feel pity for us as Nigerians. And you people are bloody lawmakers. Keep covering for your useless fathers. Continue to the cover up for them. Continue to the cover up for them. And the society go they condemn them more. You know one thing I want you to take out of this video? The nonsense, useless youth, adult, children you see today, they're going to grow old as well. I don't believe in respect your elders. I don't. Elders are the useless young people you see today, and they're going to grow up tomorrow. You expect me to respect them. They can all piss off, you know.
Oh, bias this, oh, the father this, oh, the father that. Please, let's be very, very mindful. Let's be it's a family thing. Everybody get their own for body. It's a family thing. You have no right to be insulting her father. You have no right to be saying all sorts of things about her father. All this on our social media, fake love, they come online. Everybody turn content creators. The police are on their way. I don't understand. Because on a get problem. Me, I have my own family problem. All of you know. But guess what? You still don't know about my own family. You just know that I don't like my parents. My parents don't like me. She and her dad, yes, she and her dad will reconcile. They form sooner. The same thing you guys did to me when my dad came out on Vanguard. On a form sooner, they support me. Why will he do that? 2 market days later, people started using it to insult me. That's what you put. Don't of you have fake love in this internet, on this internet.
So they said what made her to go there yesterday was that she started hearing news that her brothers are not being treated well. And you know you cannot trust your children or your siblings with stepmother. So she heard that her brothers are not being treated well. So she decided to go there to, you know, check up on them to know what is happening. I think that was when arguments came up. Imagine some useless men and women in the comment box saying, that's our child, that's our child. Are you people okay? Now because of the country where we did, I make many of them they get mad to take the talk. And they even called police for the man. The man locked door. The man did not allow police to get in. Now family matter, man, I go set one. You know why? Even the policemen, they are abusers. Many policemen wives, if they open man tell you what their husband they do there for house. Many policemen wife, you go cry for them. Some girls no get respect for their husband. Respect is earned, by the way, not bought, not commanded. But some girls just lack respect. You know why? Because of what they saw. Maybe not so their mama they treat their papa. So those of you dropping nonsense comment in the comment section, or your head must be rotting inside. Ilebaye have seen abuse all her life. Do you think if that girl gets married tomorrow and her husband is abusing her, she will not see it as anything?
Oh, bias this, oh, the father this, oh, the father that. Please, let's be very, very mindful. Let's be it's a family thing. Everybody get their own for body. It's a family thing. I was saying, oh, let's trend bias father's picture. Why? Is it because she came life and the thing was life? Yeah, we've seen what happened. Let's allow them sort it. You have no right to be insulting her father. You have no right to be saying all sorts of things about her father. We've seen what happened. Allow the Nigerian police to disrespect that I'm seeing online. Even ingrates, even person when papa don't beat blue black this morning. Everybody is tweeting. You know, all this on our social media fake love they come online. Everybody turn content creator for person thing. You understand? So So I just decided to come out to say this. Everybody has their problem. Let's be very, 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 very mindful. Yes, it's family issue, but let's be very, very mindful of what we're posting, right? So Baye is safe. Baye is safe now. It was a lot. It was a long night. It was a very, very long night. So we thank God she's safe now. And when I get to Abuja now, we'll see how she's. So let's be mindful. And all these people they sabi do fake love and all this shit. Now you guys should stop it. Cause last night this girl never safe. We never feel. We still dey on I don't want to even go in details right now. We still dey on this girl. People are posting. People were already tweeting. Oh, she's safe now. Oh, the police are on their way. I don't understand. Do you know the strings I had to pull? So please, do you get? Please, let's be mindful. Let's be mindful, and in as much as what her dad did is not right, let's be mindful of the way we are posting him or talking. Respect people, because on a two, on a get problem. Me, I have my own family problem. All of you know, but guess what? You still don't know about my own family. You just know that I don't like my parents. My parents don't like me. That's this. And the difference between me and this Baye issue is just that me, I can fight. Me, I can talk back. You understand? So I will not let any child go through any parental abuse or stress. It's not something that I can say and look away, because I know what I'm talking about. You understand? But all those see finish when one can they do swing, people should stop it. She and her father will reconcile. She and her dad, yes, she and her dad will reconcile. Even if he faces the law, he faces the law, definitely she and her dad will reconcile. Now, after all of you after I don't behave like so, I be sent. They form sooner. The same thing you guys did to me when my dad came out on Vanguard. On a form sooner, they support me. Why will he do that? 2 market days later, people started using it to insult me. That's what you pardon of you have fake love in this internet, on this internet.
We have started getting details about what happened between Ilebaye and her dad. I think she has started speaking to people who have reached out to her. Cutie is not telling us that Ilebaye's father have always been like that. According to Cutie, when the mom was still married to the dad, you know, in my previous video I told you people that the mother finally left him in 2024, and he has even remarried though. He has remarried another woman. So according to Cutie, the man have always been like that. When the mom was still married to him, sometimes he will beat up the mom and lock her up in a room that even her own children will not have access to her. Because if you watch the previous video, the son was the one telling the father, please don't buy her, don't kill her. It means he don't take when they see such scene, they play out for their house. The man maltreated the wife to the point that the wife had to leave in 2024. And when she was leaving, the man did not allow her to take the sons. So the mother took only Ilebaye. So Ilebaye has not been, you know, apparently, you know, she's a girl child now. Seeing everything your dad have been doing to your mom, you will not like that, right? So she has been with the mom. So they said what made her to go there yesterday was that she started hearing news that her brothers are not being treated well. You know, the man remarried. And you know you cannot trust your children or your siblings with stepmother. Especially with a father who have always been a monster, an abuser, a woman beater. You understand? So she heard that her brothers are not being treated well. So she decided to go there to, you know, check up on them to know what is happening. I think that was when arguments came up and the father started beating her. And then the previous video, I saw some useless men in my comment section, like this particular one, telling me, Naomi, this is your most useless post. Naomi, this is... Do you know, if not that we are in Africa, many of you men, you will not have children. If you were living abroad, you will not have children. You will not have your children with you. Imagine some useless men and women in the comment box saying, that's our child, that's our child. Are you people okay? No, are you guys okay? Some persons are telling me, now me go and arrest the man now because of the country where we did. Now make many of them they get mad to take the talk. Because of the country where we did. Now make many of them they get mad till they talk. Have you not seen children abroad calling police for their own parents? They go call police for papa and mama, they go arrest them. Many of our parents were abusers. But there is no law protecting a child, protecting children in Nigeria. That's why it is like this. And yesterday night, they even called police for the man. The man locked door. The man did not allow police to get in. And police left. Because police will tell you, na family matter, I go set one. You know why? Even the policemen, they are abusers. Many policemen, wives, if the open man tell you what their husband, they do there for house. Many policemen, wife, you go cry for them. So when they see these kind of scenes, they know they take them as anything. You understand? That was why when they knocked on the door yesterday, the man refused to open the door for them. They left. If it were to be a developed country, that woman would have been behind bars today, by now. But of course, we are in Nigeria. Lawlessness is the order of the day. Imagine a man, your daughter came to inquire to check up on her brothers. You are beating her up. Maybe the girl reached there now. Maybe something happened that they argue. You tell papa, say, my brothers and all of that. Maybe she was trying to look out for the fathers and argument came up and you beat her up. Some of you dropping nasty comments in the comment section. Do you know what this man is doing right now? Do you know what he can do to those boys? Because according to the information now, when he and the wife separated, he took hold of the boys. He didn't allow the boys to go with their mom. So those boys are in that house, seeing his character, seeing the abuse. Do you know the psychological effect it will have on those boys? When we tell women, leave abusive marriages, many of you will be running your mouth. Many of you will be running your mouth. Those days when my dad and my mom, when my dad was still alive, when my dad and my mom have issues, my mom would be saying, it's because of you people that are still here. I'll tell her, don't tell me that. You lack the ability to make decisions for yourself. My mom knows. Now, me be the only pikin for our house where they confront my papa and my mama. Yeah. And they confront them. And they put some for their body what told. I told my mom, you lack the ability to make decisions for yourself because of how you people were brought up. You went to school, you can read and write, you can also very hardworking woman. If the man was behaving anyhow, why didn't you leave my father? I always tell her that. You say it's because of you people. I didn't want to. If I go now, you people wouldn't have gone to school. See now, yeah, another woman would have come and said, this is the problem. When we tell women, leave abusive marriages, because it will not only take effect on you, negative effect, your children will be affected too. They will grow up to think that that is the way of life. Have you seen some girls, they get married, they start antagonizing their husbands. Some girls don't get respect for their husband. Respect is earned, by the way, not bought, not commanded. But some girls just lack respect. You know why? Because of what they saw. Maybe not so their mama, they treat their papa. Some boy children, 99% of guys, when they go marry, begin to abuse their wife. Even when they date, they beat up their girlfriends. Now their papa hand they for learner. Not before outsiders, not before street. So those of you dropping nonsense comment in the comment section, or your head must be rotting inside. When we talk about things like this, don't always think about, no, I know you want to flex your muscles, you want to support your dirty gender and some useless pick-me women, but you are not thinking about the children. Ilebaye have seen abuse all her life. Do you think if that girl gets married tomorrow and her husband is abusing her, she will not see it as anything? Meanwhile, that is not the way of life. And she will give birth to children in that marriage, and that cycle will continue. Those children will see their father abusing their mother. They will continue, they will grow up. They will see that this is how the cycle of abusers grow. You guys don't know what we're talking about. And you're because and say, nah, papa, nah. I don't feel waste my time on una. Now because of the society where we find ourselves. That's why you go see say husband and wife go get quarrel. Man go beat woman blue black. The woman go police station or go welfare. They go say, when I get sent to my husband. What do you mean? What do you mean? No, what do you even mean? Nigeria will have a long way to go. By the way, as a woman, you know you are an abusive marriage. Get the hell out of that marriage right now. Not because of anything, not because your ideas I know for this, especially when children don't date that married. That is the more reason for you to separate. I'm not telling you leave the man, go and be doing olosho around or just separate. because it will not only affect you, but your children will be affected. Believe me. If you like, stay there. It's for your children's, it will affect your children.
I really just need to know who is in Abuja right now that can take the police to Ilebaye's house. Yeah, see, Tibal is asking me what happened. Ilebaye's face has been ruined. I don't even know who did it. I have no idea, but from the videos I've seen, they are really brutal. Yeah, I have seen Ilebaye's video. It's really help. Like, I'm in Lagos. The only way I can help Ilebaye is to get somebody in Abuja that can go to her house. And I have the address. I have the address. Can I get another phone where I can just get the video on Twitter?
Sure, you have a second phone.
SB, can I get the Ghana phone? Everyone is saying is that I don't know if that was a pop's love culture. So even if it's a pop's, does that give him the right to lay hands on her? Even if it's a father, like do you get the point? Yes, I'm getting people say that they're in Abuja, and let me call out the address because I literally saved it. I don't care if you're the father. You can be anybody. You don't have the rights. Send me an address. Tolubal is asking. Let me get you the address ASAP. Like, it's not okay. Please, can I get the screenshot as the address? Tibal is asking. It's not like, if you see this girl's face, this girl's face has been battered. If you see this girl's face, somebody that is 25, why would anybody do that? Even if she's your daughter, does that give you the right? Is it the address, the lower one? I can't find it. Does that give you the right to handle this girl like this? Because she's a child that doesn't have help. Does that give you the right? Can I get Wi-Fi? My internet is off. It's so bad.
This one.
God. T, I'm going to send you the address right now, please. Like, even if you're the father, you go to beat your daughter like that. Her whole face is swollen, her lips, her eyes. Like, in my whole big age, I've never gotten a swollen eye. And this girl's eyes, and today is even her birthday. And today is her birthday. On top of her, like, oh my God, have mercy, God. Oh my, like, hi, my dear, I've sent you the address, please. I've sent you the address.
What happened to her?
Honestly, I don't, like, she literally just went on live and she's been crying and screaming and saying she needs help. Her whole face is swollen. I need to show you a video right now. So for me, like, we're in Lagos, what can we do? But if you can get anybody in Abuja to pick up, even if it's in a roadside police, they go her house. Her address is out there on the internet.
Okay. See what I can call it. It's terrible.
Okay, I've sent you the address, please. It's 264 Kama Adeyemi Crescent, Kings Park Estate, Galadimawa. Okay. Hey, God. And today is a bit like it just doesn't add up. Did she kill somebody? Like, you have the, like, I don't even know if I should say you have the right to lay hands on somebody because they killed somebody. I don't even know. But Ilebaye did not kill anybody. She did not kill anybody. That you batter the whole girl's face like that. The man needs to be taken to army barracks so that, like, because I don't understand. Look at the video. People are saying is that, like, oh my God, God. I don't even know, honestly. I don't even know it. I won't even use mouth talk, but God knows I don't forget this kind of father, because It cannot work. Like, it cannot work. It cannot work.
What did they say?
Just to do fries, say 10 minutes since.
And they picked the late hour. They picked midnight. Where to send help to this girl will be hard. They picked midnight. Like, is she a child? Is she 2 years old or 4 years old or 6 years old? I beg, people in Abuja, it's not to be doing, it's only when it's to talk about unnecessary things. It's only when it's to drag people. Now that one will go see a lot of honor. The ones in Abuja, I'm going to put the address in this call. The ones in Abuja, if you can pick up police on the roadside, if you can go to police office, if that one go hard, pick up from the roadside and tell them they are beating your sister. Take them to her house. Somebody said I should call the address again. The address is 264 Kama Adeyemi. Let me just paste it. Can I even paste it? Let me pin it.
See people outside the house already.
That's what somebody said. Say no one that she did the way she did.
So the father has done what?
Somebody is replying.
People outside the house waiting. Her father has released dogs on the police and her brother. Me, I don't believe this story. This one might just be talk. Yes, 264 Kama Adeyemi Crescent. Thank you so much. Kings Park Estate, Galadimawa. Please, they blocked the gate and they released dogs. It's a lie. It's a lie. Please, I don't think people are there yet. People need to still go. People still need to go. Beauty have cried and cried and cried. Beauty have called the whole of Abuja. And she's sick. Let me see if I can pin a comment.
Police cannot find their way in.
Me, I tell you, also they say police dogs chase. How can dogs chase Nigerian police? They have ways of entering into people's houses through the windows. They should do something. This one is saying,
Can I comment and say yes?
because Beauty was on the phone speaking to her, and she kept on saying she needs help. Next thing, the phone is switched off. Beauty can't reach her anymore. Beauty cannot reach her anymore. And people be here wondering, why is Ilebaye not productive? Why is Ilebaye not being productive? We don't know what this girl is battling at home. Like, I don't even, oh my God. And the fact that I saw kids there, like, I could see teenage boys. This is most likely clear that it's family. How can you be productive and how can you progress? How can you grow when your family is what's holding you down? I had to go on Google to search Ilebaye's age. 25, and you they beat 20, like, make it make sense. Regardless of anything you think this girl, they make it make sense. The man is crazy. He isn't allowing anyone in. She's being bullied by her family. Every other day we're screaming and crying, protect the girl child. Because tell me what this girl did now. Small picking that is just managing her life. Somebody that just built hotel. She's still working. Which kind of family be this? Outsiders come better past some family members. Everyone is literally just trying to show boobs all of a sudden. Say they are jealous of her, they hate her. Oh, mommy, I don't even know, man. I just feel so bad. I just feel so bad for her. Like, I wish this was in Lagos. You know? You know what it means? Do you know the amount of punches to have your face swollen to that point? What is she even doing in that toxic environment? Family or not, no one should stand that. Oh, someone said maybe they're asking for documents and she refused. I don't know, but you have the address. Put the address here. You know, if you're in ABJ, please do something. Please do something. Have you heard from Beauty again? No, but I literally heard from Beauty like 5 minutes ago. No matter what, she doesn't deserve that battering. She doesn't. Man, this just ruined your night. It ruined my night too. Like, I'm just happy I didn't even hear before I started my photo shoot this night. I saw my photo shoot were just hot. Honestly. Because I know this girl, you know, she's very quiet. She minds her business. She's very conservative and preserved. You know? So why would anybody do something this terrible to Ilebaye of all people? What did she do? Every other day I'm upset. What, Ilebaye, what you do? Why are you not posting? Like, why is there no business? And what niche are you interested in? I don't know that this girl is dealing with family problems in the house. She's dealing with family problems.
She's no longer home, sweet. Okay.
That was somebody said that she's not. Oh my God.
Beauty.
Yeah, Beauty just updated. Let me call Beauty and find out exactly what's going on.
So what are you saying?
Yeah, I'm trying to reach.
Head towards Emeka Iweze Street.
Beauty said.
In 500 meters, turn left onto Victoria Arobieke Street.
Okay, Beauty is on a call with Ilebaye, so she doesn't want to end it. Okay, for like 5 minutes. Okay. Oh, mommy, I could just run from that house like this and disappear. Nike.
I went to see 24 hours. You want to go 24 hours?
What for? Oh, some drink. Okay. I do have, yeah, look at it right here. Like a 4 minute curve of Ilebaye. So I think to an extent she's good. I didn't say it was. I was just looking if something was going on.
Turn left onto Victoria Arobieke Street.
So there's one. We're going straight. If you want to go to the market, there's one straight down.
Anyways, I'm just glad, you know, she's okay enough to even be on a call and the rest. But I'll keep finding out from Beauty if she's left. I'll keep finding out from Beauty if she's left the house, or if she's out of the house.
150 meters. Make a U-turn at Admiralty Road.
Can we actually start holding African parents accountable? This is abuse, assault, held at hostage, man. Hate this country. Just annoying, but I have to go off now.
150 meters. Make a U-turn.
It's on this side.
Yes, on this side.
Okay, she's safe. Yeah, we thank God she's safe. I beg. She needs to leave. She needs to leave that house. She needs to leave that house too. She needs to leave that house.